What's up, guys? So I'm back on the anti-hero board today, and it feels so good to be on a big board again. This thing's over 10 inches wide. I've been skating a 9 1/4 board, but it feels good to be on this board. So today I'm going to talk about wheels. I'm going to talk about hard wheels versus soft wheels, but I'm also kind of talking about skating indoors, like indoor skate parks, parking garages, basements, places with slick concrete floor. So these are some really hard roller skate wheels. They're 104A or something like that. I use these wheels for my power slide video because they slide really well, but they slide a little bit too much when it comes to an indoor skate park. So the big hard wheels feel a little bit safer, but like tiny little hard wheels on slick indoor skate park or parking garage surfaces just slide all over the place and you lose a lot of control. So today I'm going to skate these wheels, and then I'm going to switch out to some really soft wheels and skate those. And so I've got the soft wheels and the bearings here in this Tupperware. The problem I'm having with the hard wheels is I'm having these nerve pains in my leg where I can't even stand up, and I feel like the softer wheels are going to be a little easier on my joints. So these wheels are 86A. They're a lot softer, and I definitely felt more comfortable when I was riding these wheels. You can't really slide as much with these. You can't grind as good because it's sticky against whatever you're grinding. But with an indoor park, it's kind of slick anyway. So it makes the indoor park or the wooden ramp feel like a concrete outdoor park or feel like the streets. So it's grippy enough that it makes the ground in here feel like a concrete skate park. And for me, that really helps me because I'm used to a stickier concrete skate park. So I felt so much more comfortable on these wheels in here. I knew I wasn't going to slip out. And I even learned a trick, that little rock to fakie shove out. I don't think I've ever done that on any ramp, but these wheels allowed me to feel comfortable enough to land that. So if you're skating an indoor skate park, I've been saying this for years on here, but Ricta clouds for indoor parks, 78A or 86A. And then if you're going to skate outside, street, or outdoor parks, concrete parks, maybe Bones or Spitfires, something around 100A or higher. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.